Hi there, my name is Mohammad Abbas and welcome to the second class of Microsoft Publisher for Beginners. In this class, we'll try to learn about some of the interesting options that are present inside Home tab, and I will try to also give some sort of a slight touch to Insert tab. So without any further ado, let's get started. So let's try to type the formula, rand formula, inside Microsoft Word in order to copy that and paste it in MS Publisher. So let's try to type the formula there as equal to rand, enter. Hold the control or the command button and press A button in order to select that, and press V button in order to, and press C button in order to copy that, and go for MS Publisher. Click there, make sure to paste that out by holding the control or the command button and press V button so that it will be pasting there. So we have got the text there. So what we have to do is to select that, or so we have got the text there or the paragraph there. So what I have to do is to select that and go for this option, in which you'll be free to apply all of these options. Let me take sort of shape there in order to make sure to go for insert shapes and go for this one. Take out the shape there and draw the shape there. Make sure to go for shape once more. Go and take out another shape. Make sure to click on that and click on format in order to change the color of that. Go for shape and try to change the color of that. So we have got two sort of shapes there. Make sure to go for home. Make sure to go for home and select this shape and try to put it beside that. So now you are saying that there are two sort of shape. If you want to bring forward or bring backward, you can use both of the ways. For example, here you can bring that out in front and you can send that to background. Make sure to make this smaller. Make this smaller. Now you must be observing that we have got two of the shapes. So what I have to do, I have to be selecting the first one, the orange one, and hold the shift button on keyboard and click the second one also. And there is another option which is known as align center, align left, align right, align top, align bottom, and align middle. Align center and align middle. You must be observing that one shape is aligned in center. So that is what the way to use that. Let me move that towards that place. Select that. Make sure to select the second one also. Hold the shift button and select the second one. Make sure to click on group. So now you must observe that I have grouped the shapes. Make sure to go for ungroup option in order to be ungrouping that out. Go for ungroup option. Now you must be observing that we have ungrouped that. Make sure to select the blue one and go for rotate option. There is an option which is known as rotate option, which you can observe, and you can see that we can rotate all of the shapes that you can see. And there is another option which must be known as find option. Make sure to go for find option and search there whatever you want to find. For example, search out each word. Try to type the word you want to search out. I have typed that and hit enter. Now you must see that this is highlighted. So there is another option which is known as replace option. You can replace that word with another word. Like for example, I have to type John. I have replaced this word with that of the word. So you must see that I have replaced the word. Make sure to click on select option, select all object. Let me make you understand about that option also. Make sure to go for insert and go for shape. Take out the shape, draw that, and this time make sure to go for home. And over there I have got this option, select all objects. Means the shapes or the things that I have on interface will be selected by using this option. make sure to go and select all text in text box. That means if you want to select all of the text that is inside text box, you will be able to select that out. Make sure to go for insert, and there is an option page, insert blank page. Click on that. Now you must observe that I have created another page. Make sure to go for insert duplicate page. I have clicked on the first page and gone to insert duplicate page. Now you must be observing that I have created duplicate of that. Insert page, that is the same thing I have just taught you. I have also created duplicate of that, and I have also created simple sort of page. Make sure to delete that out in order to be clearing this place. Make sure to go for table. This is something that if you want to insert the rows and the columns, you must be using this option, insert table. Over here you are free to bring out columns and rows that you need, more columns and more rows that you need. Make sure to go for pictures and take out the pictures if you need, or if you want, or if you have on your PC. Online picture, you may bring online pictures, like maybe typing something. Now similarly you must be inserting that out and using that. See, that works. Make sure to go for shapes, and over here some sort of shapes are there, interesting shapes which you can use for award certificates. And there is another option which is known as a picture placeholder. Over here you can be putting sort of picture inside that. Make sure to double click on that and take from your computer or take online picture over there. So this is something that is related to picture placeholder. There are maybe more of the related options with that, like picture styles, which I have taught you in the previous tutorials. All of the interesting options and beautiful options. Make sure to go for insert, and we have got page parts, calendars, borders and advertisements, which I'll be teaching you in the upcoming tutorials. I hope you have enjoyed the tutorial. If you did, please give a thumbs up, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more. Thank you so much for watching the tutorial. I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye bye for now.